Hello. Hi guys. Hi. So, you may be wondering bakit ganun yung aking intro. Well, kung nabasa nyo yung title sa baba or yung subject sa baba, most likely may idea na kayo kung bakit. So, hi and welcome back sa akin. Okay, so Happy New Year's. Happy New Year's? Yung totoo? So yeah, before we proceed, Happy New Year muna sa ating lahat. I know I've been gone a while. And yes, it was a while. I was busy. And since it's a new year, so new content, and I've thought of a good idea para sa mga videos na mag-post ko, well, ngayon, and in the future. So, I'm calling this series the Ganito Lang Yarn. Hindi ako magaling sa pag-iisip ng mga titles or names, so yun na lang. Ganito Lang Yarn. So, imagine nyo na lang may effect na lumabas dyan. It's like, yeah, whatever. Alright, so from the name itself, I'm gonna be teaching you guys some things that I know kung paano ko siya ginagawa. Hopefully, may matutunan kayo or kung sakaling kailanganin nyo, magamit nyo siya. For episode number 1 of Ganito Lang Yarn, so the intro that I did is related. So because I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to edit videos using Adobe Premiere. Things that you need for you to be able to edit in Adobe Premiere is first, you need a computer. So, kailangan ko ng computer. Saan ko nilagay yung computer ko? Ay, naku. Tignan mo ito, tatakang-tanga. Nilagay yung computer dun sa CR tapos ngayon hindi na mahal. Uy, you're here! Ay, ito na. Ay, thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Yeah, so that's also part of the lesson. Well, actually, hindi naman lesson. Now, you'll need a computer to be able to edit using Adobe Premiere. Now, I know na merong mga magsasabi ng marami na mga application available sa internet. Correct. So, yeah, I know. Maraming application na pwede pang edit. Pero again, this is my personal opinion. This is my preference. So, I only use Adobe Premiere. Aside from the computer, of course, kailangan nyo ring ma-download yung application. Just to give you a heads up, Adobe Premiere is part of the package of Adobe. Actually, pwede nyo siyang bilhin separately or individually. But it's paid. And as a decent human being, I should tell you guys that piracy is bad. Do not settle for cheap knockoffs. Although, at this day and age, ang dami ng mga peke-pek. Piracy is bad, so only purchase legal ones, and Adobe Premiere is licensed. Yes. So there. Open up the safe can. This is pure editing, no special effects. We're not gonna be using Adobe Photoshop. We're not gonna be using After Effects, Lightroom, and what have you. So this is just good editing, because good editing is different from special effects. I know. Alright, so once you have Premiere opened up, it would look like this. And so you're seeing what I see on my screen. Just disregard the system issues found. That's an issue with my computer and the application. It will not happen to anyone else kasi may issues ako, trust issues kadalasan. Pero yeah, going back. Alright, so once you have Adobe Premiere pulled up, it would look somewhat like this. Not really, kasi nakapaggawa na ako ng parang path kung saan siya magsasave. So first off, you need to click on File, New, and then Project. So when you do this, it's like you're saving not really the video already. It's, let's just say the canvas. So kung baga sa painting, di ba meron kang puting papel na pinag-paintingan bago siya maging yung actual na gawa mo. So, ito yung essence ng paggawa ng new project. So, it's up to you kung saan nyo siya gustong i-save. You have the browse button here. So, if you click this, kayo na bahala. Oh, those are my files. No need to see that. Tapos yung name, it's really up to you. Again, this will not be the file name of the video that you'll be creating. So, once you click on OK, tsaka lalabas ng mga ganire. Alright. Now, etong mga nakikita nyo ngayon are called panels. So we have different panels shown. We have the source panel, the program panel. Kung ano yung nasa taas na nakikita nyo, yun yung pangalan ng panel, okay? So guys, I've prepared a file na gagamitin natin for editing. Ipapakita ko na sa inyo yung madalas gawin ko sa mga videos para at least tapos na agad tayo rito at makauwi na tayong lahat. Wait, I'm home. So, first thing you need to do is to, click on the file, yung raw video na ginawa ninyo. Drag and drop supposed to be. Yung video nyo papunta sa source panel. So, once you remove your finger sa inyong mouse sa pagka-click kasi nga drag and drop, so the video will then be shown in Premiere na. Just like this. See, I'm there, oh. That's me, oh. So, pinaka-basic na ginagawa sa Premiere is yung paglagay ng video tapos ibang music yung nagpe-play instead of the original audio file. So, how do we do that? It's simple. Pag nasa source panel na siya, you'll see two buttons at just the, middle bottom part of the screen. So, nakalagay naman drag video only or drag audio only. At ang tinutukoy niyan is papunta dito sa timeline. So, if you select like video only, ang mag-a-appear lang sa timeline mo is yung video lang. The program panel is where we're supposed to focus on na since we already have the video and audio in our timeline. So, ito na yung pwede nating i-edit. Again, another common thing that editors do is they cut either video and audio, just audio, and then that is to, make the clip shorter. Example, so ito na naman ang isa nating panel, ang parang tool panel natin. So we have the selection. Not all of this will be used, pero ang pinakamadalas ko talagang gamitin is the razor tool. So ito yung ginagamit pang cut ng file. Kasi pag nagpasok ka ng video kay Premiere, buo siya. So kung gusto mong tanggalin yung mga parang may dead air, yung mga wala namang kakwenta-kwentang like seconds or minutes na wala ka namang ginagawa, so you can cut it para paiksin yung video. Going back. Alright, so all you need to do is to place the razor tool at the top of, if it's for video, for audio, for both, you have to do it one at a time. So for example, gusto ko i-cut to. So there. That is now two separate video rows. So in short, pwede ko itong i-delete, hindi ma-apektuhan lahat. Pwede ko itong i-delete, hindi ma-apektuhan lahat. So kung ano lang yung gusto kong matira, yun lang yung matitira. Alright, so let me show you this clip first. Para at least example na rin. So sa nakikita nyo ngayon, kinat ko yung audio dun sa timeline kung saan hindi ko kailangan yung audio kasi nga magbibigyan ko ng example. So ayan. Now, ang mangyayari is wala siyang audio. Now, I do have another example ng mga parang special effect na editing skills. Pero again, pure editing, no special effects. So, balik tayo sa kanya. So, ako na rin actually yung example para dun sa parang special effect na kadalasang ginagawa ni John na dalawa kami. Parang sasabihin ako rin yun eh. Dalawa ako. So, for example, this video, I'm gonna be moving on the spot right here. So it would seem like I'm, just myself. And tapos biglang may dadating doon. So I'm gonna be editing this real time para makita nyo kung paano ko siya ginagawa. Again, this is not really special effects. So though, ang tawag sa kanya sa Premiere is effects. But it's not really that special kasi you don't have to use another application. So what I need to do first is I need to cut yung video na kailangan kong ipatong dito sa nauna para magmukhang dalawa kami. So, dito ko na ipapasok yung yung pinutol nating clip dito sa may bandang dulo, which is yung lumipat ako ng pwesto, para magmukha akong dalawa. However, isa lang yung nakalabas. Now, as you can see here on the right side of Premiere, I've already searched for crop. So, alam niyo naman siguro yung crop, lalo na sa mga gumagamit ng Facebook dyan, sa mga Instagram users. So, you crop not only photos, but you can also crop videos. And when you place in the effect, so you just have to click, drag, and then drop it dun sa file. And then you have to go to the effect controls. Dito sa side na to. There. And then you'll see here crop. Now, since yung taong kailangan natin palabasin is nasa left side nitong currently na nakalabas. So, left should be edited. Just like that. With ease. Alright? So, let's see. No, just myself. And tapos biglang may dadating doon. Ako yung tinutukoy niya. Yeah, so dalawa na kami. So, tayo. Ayun. So, dalawa na kami dun sa nakikita nyo sa program panel natin. And, you know, if your creativity and your imagination far exceeds the normal, I'm sure that you can think of other ways on how to, you know, make something unique when it comes to videos that you produce. I would like to encourage everyone to, you know, research on your own as well. Pero, it's still an option if you want me to continue on discussing kung paano yung iba pang ginagawa sa Adobe Premiere. Kasi hindi lang naman to yung pwede mong gawin sa Adobe Premiere. There's a lot. As you can see for the effects, there's a lot that you can use. Also, the timeline is endless. When it comes to editing, the more powerful your computer is, the faster you can edit. Unfortunately, that's how it goes. Now, let's proceed on how to save this as a video, a file that you can post on social media platforms such as YouTube. So once you're done, sabihin na natin kunwari tapos na ako, click on File, Export, Media. And then here is the export settings. So medyo marami-raming nakaka-overwhelm na information dito. Pero just to give you an idea, dapat this is under H.264. Alright, for the preset, this is a function wherein pwede nyo siyang isave para magamit nyo in the future. Para at least hindi na kayo nagkiklik-click ulit ng mga settings dito. For the output name, ito yung name na talaga nung file once matapos siyang makompile or masave as just one video. So, just click on it, put in a file name that you want, click a destination or a folder where you want to save it to, and then I would highly recommend na if you're a newbie, do not change anything on the settings yet. Kasi over time, pag ikaw ay gamit ng gamit, most likely may intriga ka ano yung mga settings na pwedeng baguhin para mas magpaganda. I would highly encourage that you research on it on your own, kaysa yung ituturo sa'yo lahat. Pero of course, syempre, mas madali nga naman pag ituturo. However, always use maximum render quality here, and then once you're done, you will see the estimated file size here. Once you click on export, it will start the process of creating that one video that rules them all. That Lord of the Rings? No, the file, the finished file, in short. And then you're good, you're done. All right. So since we're done with that, that's how to use Adobe Premiere. I know it's, you know, kind of short and simple. Wala masyadong advanced. Kasi nga, this is just the basics. So, how I normally use it on a normal day ng editing. However, pagka yung creativity and imagination ko is like nag-uumapaw, yun yung mga sa damukal na effects na yung nagagamit. May mga iba pang applications na ginagamit. I might also teach you how I use like Photoshop, After Effects, Lightroom, and all the good things, all the good applications that I use. So if you're still watching this video, thank you so much for tuning in. Again, my name is Melchor, and I hope you like the video. If you like it, again, please don't forget to like down there. There's a like button, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Yeah, signature goodbye. Wow, ngayon ko na lang ulit magagawa. Bye-bye!